Today we'll be discussing about the ATM machine and the bank customers. I'm going to be talking based on personal experience from my end, which is the reason why I'm saying all this. Imagine a customer goes to the ATM machine, slots his or her card, the customer is not paid, but the account is debited. Could this be a deliberate act by a programmer for Nigerians, so that whichever way it goes, the customers have something to lose and the bank has nothing to lose? Why does it take days for a wrong debit to be reversed into the customer's accounts? Why would a bank take a customer's money for days without paying interest? Tell me, who is in possession of such money? Is it right? Can a customer take money from the bank for just one day without paying interest? No. So it's not fair on the customers. After all, interest is calculated per day, and no bank would lend even for a day without interest. When our banks roll out adverts stating why we should use the ATM both in Nigeria and abroad, do they ever emphasize the modalities of resolving wrong debits? Why is it like that? What exactly is the standard service agreement between the bank and its customers, especially regards international ATM transaction? Let's consider this true life experience between the bank and a customer using the ATM in Europe. A bank customer travels to somewhere in Europe, slots in his card into the ATM machine. The machine did not dispense cash, but the bank customer was debited. Due to the urgency of need for the money, he puts a call through to the Nigerian bank, and all he gets is, unfortunately, it cannot be reversed immediately. Why? On arrival in Nigeria, the customer approaches the bank, and the bank confirms the ATM did not pay the customer. After a review of the transaction and video evidence, after confirmation that this money was not paid to the customer by the ATM, getting to Nigeria, is it right for the bank to tell the customer that he will have to wait for 4 months before he will be refunded because of interbank transaction, because of foreign bank policy? Could this be an acceptable standard relationship between bank and its customer? Is this fair? What exactly is the service level agreement? Why would a customer get his money stocked for 4 months without being refunded and without an interest? Is that fair? There is a twist. Is this peculiar to cards issued by Nigerian banks alone? Why is this not happening to banks abroad? Why? Could this be a deliberate fraud by Nigerian banks? Why must the customer carry all the risk? Questions, questions, questions. What is the way forward? For me, this is totally unacceptable. I have spoken to friends and relatives abroad who have lived abroad for more than 20 years. None of them confirm ever experiencing this kind of ATM issues. Why is it happening in Nigeria? Why? Someday, I might have the chance to ask the CBN governor some questions. Someday.